Hello and welcome to this short video that will walk you through installing the web browser add-on. So we have two options to install the web browser add-on. The default option is to log in into your analytical workbench and go to your setting tab, and that is on the left side panel. So click on the setting button and that's gonna bring you to the setting page. There, click on the Chrome extension icon and this will download a zip file. Next, you will want to extract this zip file. So let me bring this here. So here we extract. And once you've extracted your file, you can go back to your web browser, open a new tab, and go to Chrome // extension, and there you will need to activate the developer mode. Once you've activated the developer mode, go to Load Unpack and navigate to your folder that you've just extracted. When you see the dist folder, click on it and then click select folder. And now your add-on is installed. To log in into your add-on, open a new web browser page, go to any page, and then here where there is the little puzzle piece, click on it, pin your add-on to the web browser, and now you can use your credential to log in. There we go. And once you've logged in, select the project you want to work on, and now your add-on is ready to re-knowledge the page. Now, if you are unable to activate the developer mode because of your organization policies, we can set up an alternative way for you to get the web browser add-on, and this is what I'm going to show you now. For this option, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store. There, look for re-knowledge, select it, and here you can add the add-on directly to Chrome from here. Again, you will want to pin the add-on to your taskbar so it doesn't disappear. Next, go to a new web page that is different from the Chrome Web Store. And here you can configure your add-on to connect to your environment. And to do that, click on the add-on. It will take a few seconds for it to start configuring itself. And once you have this window, go to Custom and paste the URL we will provide you with. Once the URL is ready, click Select to connect your add-on to your environment. Then the system will prompt you to enter your credentials. And once the add-on has finished configuring itself, it will be ready for you to use it. So now select the project you want and start re-knowledging your pages.